Nematodes are responsible for heavy yield and crop losses in fruits and vegetables all over the globe. Tiny eelworms, like the root knot nematode, live in the soil and the larvae attack plant roots. Nematodes penetrate the root, start to reproduce, and cause root galling. They suck water and nutrients from the root system. Infested plants suffer and show poor growth. Fluopuram from Bayer stops the attack. The active substance is applied to the soil via a drip irrigation system, allowing it to precisely target the root system. Treated nematodes rapidly become paralyzed and remain needle-shaped until they die off. After the fluopuram has been applied, Bayer's biological nematicide, BioAct, destroys the remaining nematode eggs. Like fluopuram, BioAct can be directly applied via a drip irrigation system. The fungus starts to parasitize the nematode eggs and prevents the larvae from hatching and infecting new roots. The healthy root system enables good plant growth and high yield production.
Bayer. Science for a better life.